Okay, so we built two pretty basic features for the mode, but the exciting feature to put in this mode is actually running the tests.
Yeah, that's the big one.
Yeah. So, let's just start doing that. I think that there's many things we can do, but we're going to try to start as simple as possible. So I'll pop into the README file, and basically we'll just start adding as an interactive command.
Yeah.
Run all tests.
And running all the tests is the simplest case.
Yeah, because we don't have to care about what file triggered the change and so on. It's just to run one command always,
yeah,
regardless of which file you're in. That's a good start. Let's create a new feature file for it. We have run all tests feature
ft tab.
Right, feature run all tests. Scenario running all tests.
Should we maybe just name what it should do?
Okay. So what I'm thinking is that it should open a buffer, maybe in another window.
Yeah.
When you run the tests, you can watch the results side by side with your code.
Yeah.
Okay. So scenario opens a buffer with test results.
Nice.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Given. I don't know.
Skip to given.
Yeah. When I insert, I can't remember.
No, it's copy and paste development, isn't it?
That's
when
I learned from the pro.
Yeah, learning stuff.
Yeah, so screw this shit. When I insert,
inserting isn't.
That doesn't really matter.
No, it doesn't.
What does matter is that I want to be in Buster mode.
Yeah.
Okay, so
do you want to start over with this one?
When I turn on Buster mode and I press run all tests, then I should. Okay, so we should see a buffer of some sort.
We should switch to the buffer.
And I switch to. Is that what it's called? Buffer Buster test or something?
Yeah. I'm not entirely sure, but we can try.
Yeah. Then I should see some text.
Yeah.
Help.
Yeah,
so it failed. There we go. Okay. So the buffer just contains empty text.
Yeah, I can fix that. First of all, CCCBR is undefined. So Buster mode. Let's see, Buster mode, and that will be here.
Oh my god.
My Mac is really struggling to keep up with all this amazing coding.
Right.
Let's see.
Run all tests.
That didn't work either. Let's define. It's an interactive command. And
it should just open a buffer.
Yeah, switch to buffer window.
So I guess the test isn't actually specifying other window, but who cares?
Yeah. And insert hello.
Yep.
So now all passed.
Okay, so that brings us on to the useful part. So it should fork a process that calls the Buster test binary.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I'll just pop over to.
So I think what we're going to do is that we're.
When I run Buster-test, it gives me this output.
Right.
So I wanted to run Buster test, and maybe, let's say, 0 timeouts. Is what I'm going to check for.
Okay. Yeah. That sounds. Yeah. Okay.
This is okay?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah. Take over.
Okay. So I'm thinking that the problem here is that in order to get this resolved, we have to shell out to Buster test. It would be nice if the test did not depend on that globally install module, because that's outside the control of this repo, right? So what I'm thinking is that we can just do this and put that stuff into our project. Site Lisp, Emacs,
Buster mode.
yeah, sorry. And then we'll call it the same as the binary, like so. And here comes the secret sauce. Site Lisp, Buster mode, and then okay, so we'll make it executable, like so. And then we'll fix it a little bit so we can actually run it. We'll just say echo. So, and now I should be able to run it.
Nice.
Sweet. Okay, so this is our mock.
Yeah.
This is what Buster Emacs is going to use. And to do that, we're going to fix up the watcher script. So we'll just modify the environment for this test to put the current directory on front of the path. It's just really, really simple.
It's really, really simple if you know exactly what to do.
Yes, but the setup is pretty simple.
Yeah, yeah.
You're mocking a binary by just using a fixed file.
Yeah.
So this means that I can now shell out from here. So to do, we're going to use call process. Let's take a look at what that does. Call process is the synchronous way of running external processes in Emacs.
Yeah.
And you give it a program. In this case, it's going to be Buster test. And then you give it an in file. It doesn't have any input. The buffer should be Buster test. A display is whether or not, let's see, display. Okay, so means read display buffer as output is inserted. Basically, keep the visual state linked to the actual state.
Yeah, so true.
Yeah, true. And that's it. And then we don't have to insert anything. Okay, let's try this.
Nice.
It worked.
It worked.
So when the tests are passing, I like to try stuff out.
Yeah. So we have to eval this buffer?
We do have to eval this buffer, you're right. Okay, so this buffer kind of snuck into this. Okay, whatever.
Yeah, there's perspective is often wrong. I'm sorry.
Project, auto length. This is the same project we just ran.
Yeah.
So if I do CB, no, okay, Buster mode, CB, run all.
Yeah, so that's the output.
That's it. It's very verbose output, but oh, what is this? Okay, so this is actually the ANSI escape sequences.
Yeah, we saw them earlier.
Right.
Yeah. So
we need to escape those.
Yeah, that's what makes the colors.
Okay, but you know, let's disregard that for now. This is a working feature. Let's commit it.
Yeah.
Here's the mock. Here's the feature. We updated the README. And the run. Okay. Run tests within Emacs.
Nice.